y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll basically be showing you guys how to make glitter lip gloss. If you want to see how I created the lip glosses, just keep on watching. So I added the Versal gel. Now I'm adding all my oils, which will be the coconut oil and vitamin E oil. Every other oil I do not stay on camera. So I'm going to start mixing until I get the consistency that I want. If it's not what I want, then I add some more oil. Now that my lip gloss is nice and smooth, I'm going to start adding my pigments. And I will be leaving the link to everything in the description box down below. So for my pigment, I will be using a lip liquid. I did add too much because I wanted it to be a lighter pink, but this color came out perfectly fine, and I'm going to be adding some powder pigment as well. And they are all from TKB Trading. This glitter I got off of Amazon, and it is cosmetic grade, and I will leave the link to that in the description box down below as well. I believe I did pay $7. I'm not too sure. It was $7 or $9, close to $10. I'm not too sure, so I will just leave the link down below. So I actually didn't know how much glitter I poured in the container till I'm watching the video. Like, I really poured mad glitter in there. You don't need that much glitter. These are the two ways I was speaking of in the last video to apply your lip gloss to the syringe. This is one way, and if your lip gloss is smooth enough, you won't have no problems. But if it's too thick, then it won't go up as easy. Make sure you wipe the extra lip gloss off the tip before applying your pipette, because it will slide right off. Now I'm just showing you guys in this one that you can actually do it with the pipette on, because my lip gloss is really smooth, so I didn't have any issues. This is the bubble that gets me every time. It makes the lip gloss so hard to enter the tube once that bubble is there. See how I'm struggling? And this is what the lip gloss looks like on my hand. I didn't feel like putting it on my lips today, so I did it on my hand. After you have washed off your lip glosses, take off all the excess lip gloss on there. You can go ahead and add your labels, and these labels I believe I got from Sticker app or Avery. I use both apps, so I'm not too sure which labels came from where. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Mwah.